Namaskar. Well, today I want to share my opinion on down to earth. It's a very sweet word. It's very beautiful, okay? Words. Down to earth. Whenever we see the personality of simplicity, we appreciate. We try to follow such personality because we are attracted seeing their simplicity. And we often discuss with our friends and in family that such people are so good and they are very down to earth. But we are just following theoretical. Remember, friends, if our principle becomes good, but if we don't apply first, that does not bring any changes in life. So appreciation is okay, but following that kind of example and try to be one example for others is most important. Therefore, if we say about down to earth in a conversation, but if we try to show ourselves up to sky, then what happens? That is not good. Our words did not match with our actions, and that is called hypocrite. Saying one thing and doing the different thing. Always think the people who are gentle, who are the people of wisdom, very knowledgeable, great people, kind people, philanthropic people, are always simple. Their simplicity is the beauty of their sophistication. That's why I request all of you, even I request myself to try to be simple in life. Why? If you and me try to be simple, that can be a beautiful sample for others. If we prove ourselves as a beautiful sample of simplicity, that is a good lesson for all of us. And that kind of good thought and action requests others silently to follow. And if that chain works, then see, there is a world of goodness. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Please share if you like.